Welcome back to the channel, you kooks. Today we got a brand new special. Might be the first time and last time, but we got a recipe here and we're gonna call this special Instant Pot in the Parking Lot. So today we got Danny, Chef Dan. Let's see what she's cooking. What do you got for us?
I am making a Sri Lankan cabbage dish. So it's gonna have like turmeric and curry, and cabbage is the main star with some shrimp. And mustard seeds.
What's you got on your head there?
We just went swimming and my dreads keep dripping all down my back and I'm cold, so I wanted to stop.
Sri Lankan cabbage with shrimp. You probably never heard of this. You're not going to want to miss it. It's going to be a quick video. We're going to get straight to it.
So I shredded 3 carrots and I cut the whole cabbage, and I am now zesting lemons and limes, just half of each, and then I'm going to squeeze them in there with it too.
We got the fan on, it's hot. You guys are just gonna have to deal with the humming of the fan, but we want to show you some cool stuff. Someone in the comments of our last video wanted to see the portable air conditioner. This thing's actually really cool. So I'm gonna fire this thing up real quick. It's called the Blow, and you just fill it up with water. I'll have a link in the description. This is for you, Mike. I know you wanted to see this. And basically it just has 3 speeds, and then it blows. It's just like a little mini swamp cooler. You can even like soak the filter, and it works pretty good. Like, you would actually be very surprised how well it works. It's a little loud.
It's great for, like, I think it's like for offices or something, like in your cubicle or something. So it's great if you're sitting right next to it.
Yeah, I mean, we're basically in a cubicle.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, this is it. And like, if you're looking for a solution just to escape the heat, I mean, if you sit right in front of it, it works really good. So I highly recommend checking it out. And I don't think they're that expensive. It was a gift. Thank you, Danny's mom. But Danny's just chopping away. Don't forget, this is a cooking show. I'll get back to the cooking. Organic virgin coconut oil here. Grocery outlet find, and I'm just going to put a little in here, and we're going to saute these onions, and I'll show you a secret to the Instant Pot cooking when you're out here in your parking lot. So the first step is you're going to turn the Instant Pot on and saute the onions until they're nice and translucent. The onions are nice and sauteed and translucent. I'll just pull them off. It's easier to bring the pot inside. Also, we got this Set Power dual zone fridge we just reviewed. You should check it out if you're looking for a van fridge. This thing is awesome. We also have Van Kookz discount. I'll have it right here. So check this out if you're looking into a new fridge. I highly recommend it. It's a great deal.
I'm putting all the cabbage and stuff in there so that we can get this dinner rolling.
Because we got to make it to the health food store before 7, before they close, or we're screwed.
And we also have these wild caught Argentinian shrimp, and we got them from Grocery Outlet, the best place in the world. Okay, so basically you'll want a 1/3 cup milk or a 1/3 cup of water, and we're gonna do, because we have some bone broth left over, we're gonna do a 1/3 of both of these put together. So I did more than a 1/3 cup. That's like usually what you do. So I did a lot. I did the rest of that. And now I'm squeezing in a lime and a lemon. And then it's ready to go.
So now we're adding in curry, turmeric, and some mustard seed. And obviously, if you have a bigger Instant Pot, you'll make your life easy. We live in a tiny space, so we use the Instant Pot Mini, and we cram it full. It's all good to go?
Good to go.
All right, let's do this. All right, it's jam packed in there, and we will set it and forget it. The pressure released, I let it sit there for about 10 minutes. It's looking pretty good. I crammed this cabbage on top, but Everything else is nice and yellow from the curry. And we're excited. We're gonna plate it, we're gonna show it to you, and we're gonna have the recipe in the description, so look out for that.
So I cut some spring onions and some cilantro, and I sprinkled some unsweetened coconut shreds on it, and now it's ready to eat.
All right, you can see the bowl. It looks delicious, and that's it. We're gonna eat it. We'll try to have the recipe in the description, so like and subscribe and share with your friends if they want to watch some cookie cook shows in a tiny space. So I guarantee we do it like no one else does. See you guys.
We're gonna go enjoy a movie because our backyard just turned into a drive-in movie theater.
Yeah, very true. So I'll lay the footage over here while we cut to the credits.